The hallways are filled with excitement at Coosa Elementary School as students head off to their favorite clubs. Once a month, the school hosts a special club day where students from every grade level can explore new and exciting activities.
We have 22 different clubs. It ranges from a cooking club, robotics, puzzles, problem solving, tennis, relay races, you name it, we've got it.
Club Day offers hands-on experiences that are both fun and educational.
This is the robotics club, and we're programming robots to follow a certain code to go on the lines or inside the lines.
The kindness club, and we were like getting little petals and like writing down nice things and giving them to people.
We were playing lots of games and board games and stuff like that, and the club was called Games and More.
Wearable art, and we are finger knitting yarn, and once we get to a long enough point of yarn, we can make a necklace, headband, a scarf, anything possibly that we can make out of finger knitting.
Club Day is also designed so students can explore, learn, and grow together by building teamwork and communication skills.
It can educate us with some fun and exciting things and get to know other people that you don't really know and other grades and share activities with them.
Clubs, it actually is not just about games, it's about learning and having fun.
I think it's very important for kids to engage in these types of clubs, not only for just socialization skills, team building, working with others, and they're just fun.
Club Day is held one Friday every month during the school day and is an hour long. At Coosa Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.